Hi friends, this is Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to get a sad filter on your Instagram. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below and we just quickly move on to the video. So to get the sad filter, you just open your Instagram first and click on the Reels option here, and after clicking it, just click on the effect option here. So now just click on the search option here on the top. Just type as sad. You can find this filter. What I am talking about was the second filter. So more than 188k, which means 1,88,000 reels has made using this particular filter, which was sad filter, which change your face as sad expression. So this particular filter get more views and follows for many creators. So you can see just click here on the sad face and you can see the view effect page. You can click here and you can view which filter get more views. You can use the hashtags, so you also can get a more views and follows for your Instagram reel. Just think a creative idea with this sad filter and make your reel now. So you just note the filter name was sad face and it was created by, and here you can note here, and you just make a reel with this filter which was changed and popular on Instagram. Try this filter and make your reel now. Friends, if you find this video useful, subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video, and if you want to know more about the Instagram tips or Instagram filters, just follow this channel to have a more content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.